All right. I see a sign that says vendors this way. It's the slope. Okay. Oh, goodness. Oh, gosh. Oh, gosh. Oh, she's pointing and talking. Okay, let me roll the window down. Hi. Okay, she says follow her. I hope I don't mess around and hit her. I think about things like that. Oh, look, people. Oh, my gosh. Oh, Lord. Hi, everybody. Alright. Okay. Oh, sorry, lady. I didn't know she was having me park here next to your cute car. Alright, you guys. This one here wants to fluff up, but that's alright. That's what Africa does. I'm just waiting for my sister because I can't really set up the tent without her, but I definitely will try. Somebody just pulled up beside me. I gotta act normal. Oh. Look at their tent and then look at mine. It's like, why is mine so extra and complicated? It's this heavy duty hardcore tent. I just really wanted to make sure that I wouldn't have any crazy accidents, like my tent wouldn't blow away and then crumble into pieces and ruin the cake. These are the things that I just envisioned happening, so I opted for the hardcore tent for this event, but I'm gonna send that bad boy back and get something that is light and simple. My sister got here and we were able to really put in work. I'm hoping that you guys saw part 1. This was actually the second event that I had planned for the day. So the first event did not happen. It was a monstrosity of a situation and I ditched that one and came to this one. So fingers crossed this event will be successful. There are already actual real live people here, so we are already doing better than we were doing earlier in the morning. The weather is warming up. The only thing so far is that I am seriously fighting bugs, you guys. Mosquitoes, stink bugs, spiders, but it's a farm. What do you expect? So I'm going to continue setting up. So after about an hour of setup, we are ready to sell. I am actually hot. The weather is actually perfect. It's kind of warm. There are a lot of bugs out here. I just fought a 2-foot monster mosquito. I have 2 signs and then a sign in the front. I didn't show you guys the completed table. Let's walk around just a little bit, not too much because I'm very much an introvert. I would love to get to know everybody, but I'm shy. Here's my table. Same format, same layout as before. I'm sticking to the same layout each time so that people will recognize me. And already, I mean, look at all of these beautiful vendors. Look at these haystacks, you guys. This is an amazing scenery. There are already loads of people and it's only been 30 minutes. Vendors are still coming in, but there are so many kids and families playing with the animals already and making their way down to where we are. They're having so much fun over there. I might literally have to go over there and just, they're gonna call me a bully if I just start jumping. I'm not a bully if I'm having a good time, right? There's a lot of people here. I'm shocked. I'm shocked.
Come back for some cupcakes if they're left.
Okay. I have plenty. I made like 100.
Yeah. Okay.
You know I
How much did you say?
10.
Okay.
My conscious selling style is to say hello to the person and then I let them know that I'm here if they have any questions. I stand up when they start telling me what it is that they want to let them know that I am here for them at their service, and I say thank you. I definitely don't want to hard sell anyone or have them feel pressured to get cakes. There's a kid in a bird cage. Now these ladies were at the previous vendor event that I did, and they were vendors themselves, but they didn't have a chance to come over and get their desserts. So I'm so happy to see them here and coming to say hello. There were 4 vendors in total that recognized me. That was a wonderful feeling. Mag, that's how you draw it over to you. He said that the baby calf is over there. Yeah. Aww. He feels like that synthetic hair out the jumbo hair. Yes. That. Look at you. Looking as cute as you want to look. It itches, doesn't it? I know. Scotty does the same thing. Scotty does the same thing. Hi. Look, we just want to walk after it, don't we? It's so much fun. Like, that was like the highlight of everything. See you. Take care. I'll be in touch. Now, I did get around to some of the vendors, really the ones that were just right beside me, because they came over to me and we were talking the whole time, and it was just like, you know, it's just common courtesy. I definitely got one of her gorgeous necklaces. I really wanted some of those seasonings, though. The day started off rough, to say the least. But honestly, by the time that I got to this event, everything was turned around. Like, within the first hour of me setting up, someone ran over and said, I was asked to see if you were the same cake lady from before. And then she yelled back, that's her, you guys. So that was just amazing. And it's just really awesome to be a part of a community of people looking out for one another. We can support each other's businesses. So it really is amazing to connect in this way in a fun environment. If you're trying to do this, I highly recommend it.
Cheese ball mix, the famous beer bread.
Okay. Due to the unforeseen events taking place this morning, I do have a lot left over. Lots of s'mores. I only refilled the cupcakes twice. Parfaits did sell, but I did not expect to have any left over. So, and you can see all those cupcakes in the back. What it's looking like is I have to pick up another event possibly tomorrow or at the latest Monday. And there's like no events on Monday. So I'm going to try to figure something out. I don't know. This is like one of those situations where it's just like, what are you gonna do?
Everything, right? Yeah. It's all me. Sandy! Wait! Turn out. This is right. Can't be Sandy. Can't be Sandy.
Okay, Nisa. Look at the baby. Look at the baby. Oh my gosh. All right, gather your baby animals, because I'm headed out. It's 5:52. Oh, bye. I don't know why they want to wave bye to me, but that's so sweet. Thank you. Thanks. Oh, look at her. Oh. Oh gosh. Is that their house? Do they live here? Oh my gosh, could you imagine? If, like, just living? Can I go? I'm gonna go. Oh, that was awesome, you guys. Oh, is that a fly? I'm so sick of these flies. Okay, Cakenistas, it is about 12:15 a.m. I slept from about 7 until 11. I can't really move. I'm surprised I'm walking. I definitely booked the mall event, so I'm going to rejuvenate all of my cupcakes, taking off the frosting and the filling, and I'm going to turn it into a strawberry buttercream. And I'm just going to make sure that the cupcakes that need to be repiped are repiped with fresh toppers and stuff like that. Oh, guys, I'm exhausted. Hopefully I will be done within the next 45 minutes and I can go to bed. See you guys in the AM. I go to sleep for an hour and my alarm goes off. Why? I just don't understand. I slept for an hour and now it's 6 o'clock. What in the world?